Basta kay Sir Rojan, ibang klase. Let's go! Okay, welcome ulit sa ating klase. Sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin ang Article 1306. Dito sa article na to, dinidiscuss ang isa sa mga characteristics ng isang contract. Ito ang autonomy. Ano nga pong ibig sabihin ng autonomy o freedom to stipulate at meron ba itong mga limitasyon or wala? Ano nga ba? Ready ka na? Sige, start tayo. Let's go! Yan, sige, basahin muna natin. Article 1306. The contracting parties may establish such stipulations, clauses, terms and conditions as they may deem convenient, provided they're not contrary to law, morals, good customs, public order, or public policy. So this article na to, dinidiscuss ang isa sa mga karakteristik ng isang contract. Ito yung autonomy or liberality. Okay? Autonomy or liberality. Okay, ito yung principle ng liberality. Or iba pang tawag natin dyan, freedom to contract or freedom to stipulate. Yan, so magkakapares lang naman yan. So pag sinabi nating autonomy, liberality, or freedom to contract or freedom to stipulate, may karapatan ang bawat tao sa isang bansa na makipag-contract sa isa't isa. Okay? So yun yung freedom to contract. Kasama dun sa karapatan na yun ay isaad or ilagay nila kung anong gusto nilang ilagay as part of their agreement. Okay? Basta sabi lang daw, huwag siyang labag sa batas, sa moral, sa good customs, public order, or public policy. So, this right to contract is granted to the people as part of the Constitution. So, isa siyang constitutional right, no? Yan. So, this is right granted to people. Yan. So one of the liberties, isa sa mga kalayaan na makipagkontrata ang bawat tao sa isa't isa. Kasi sabi doon sa ating konstitusyon, no law impairing the obligations of contract shall be passed. Okay? Having the liberty to contract, okay, pwede sila mag-establish ng stipulations, ng clauses, ng terms and conditions kung saan makakatulong sa kanilang dalawa. Kaya lang, yung freedom to stipulate is not absolute. Okay? So, not absolute. Hindi pwedeng kahit anong ilagay nila. Subject siya sa limitation. So, ibig sabihin ng not absolute, subject to limitation. Okay? Ano yung limitation na sinasabi? Dapat hindi siya lalabag sa lamog sipa, which means law, morals, good customs, public order, at saka public policy. So yun yung limitation sa sinasabi, ano? Basta wag daw contrary sa lamog sipap, law, morals, good customs, public order, or public policy. Pag mayroong mga kasunduan, stipulations, clauses, terms, and conditions na nilagay nila sa contract nila, tapos labag siya sa lamog sipap, i-consider na void yung stipulation. Okay? Considered void, no? Considered void if contrary. Yan. Okay? Tapos kapag ang dalawang parties nag-contract na, it serves as the law between them. Okay? At sinasabi nga natin na ang right to enter into a contract is one of the liberties or rights granted sa isang tao, sa isang bansa kapag yan ay tinanggal or pinakilaman ng mga legislative sector natin or legislative branch parang nagkakaroon ng substantial impairment sa liberty ng people under the Constitution. So meaning if the right is struck down or interfered, okay, interfered, there is substantial impairment impairment of the liberty or right of the people under the Constitution. Yan. Ibig sabihin, dahil karapatan ng isang tao na makipagkontrata sa isa pang tao, basta siya ay lawful, hindi dapat ito ipagbawal. Kasi kapag pinagbawal yan or pinakialaman mo yung karapatan na yan, mai-impair yung kanyang liberty under the Constitution. Therefore, under the Constitution, the legislature ay hindi pinapayagan na mag-prescribe ng terms ng isang legal contract. Kasi madedeprive yung liberty ng citizen ng isang state na makipag-enter freely sa isang contract according to their own convenience and advantage. Ibig sabihin nun, the legislature under the Constitution is not permitted to prescribe the terms the terms of a legal contract. Para bang sasabihin ng mga mambabatas natin or gagawa sila ng batas na ito lang ang pwede niyong ilagay sa contract, parang nagbibigay na sila ng prescribed format kung ano dapat ang ilagay lang nila. So pag ganun, hindi yun nagkakaroon ng autonomy or freedom to stipulate. Okay? So the legislature under the Constitution is not permitted to prescribe the terms of a legal contract and thereby depriving the citizens of the state. Okay? Thereby depriving the citizens to enter freely. Okay? According to their own convenience or advantage. According to their own convenience. Okay? Pero yun nga, sabi natin, basta hindi dapat siya lalabag sa lamog sipap. Okay? Even the courts are not allowed to interfere or prescribe the terms and conditions of a contract for the parties. Okay, ang tanging gagawin lang ng courts is to determine whether such contract is void or not, valid or not. Pero to prescribe the terms and conditions na dapat ilagay nila is not something that they should be doing. Kasi under the Constitution, which is the highest law of all laws, merong freedom to contract ang citizens ng isang state and limiting them will deprive them of this right to enter freely. Okay? Even courts are not allowed. So even courts are not allowed to interfere. Okay? Ayan. So yun nga, subject to limitations, which is ito na nga yung sinasabi natin.